Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Metastock. We're going to be looking at the three ETFs, the Triple Q Nasdaq 100, the Dow Diamonds DIA, and the S&P Spiders SPY. On the screen, you are looking at the order page for the Leibovit Volume Reversal Toolkit on Metastock. It is $99 a month, and there is a 1 month free trial. If you want specific recommendations, trading recommendations, my newsletters are available. The Platinum newsletter covers specific recommendations in all the markets. Silver covers general market commentary with no specific recommendations. Our Gold letter covers natural resources. Our forecasters are cyclical forecast for the major markets, and our new and exciting Vice letter covers the cannabis and alcohol, gaming, tobacco, and other Vice stocks. Of course, my book, The Trader's Book of Volume, is a must-read, particularly if you want to learn more about the volume reversal. Also, as a reminder, I do host my weekly radio show, Wall Street Raw, 10 a.m. Eastern, on the Genesis Communication Network, gcnlive.com. It is archived there and on iTunes. It's also replayed at KFNN 1510 Phoenix Sunday mornings at 10 a.m. Jumping to the screen, let's look at the spiders first here. SPY generated a series of negative VRs. If you've been following my newsletter, you know that I've been bearish since mid-December. Why? Well, the 533 stochastic turned down. I generated one of my Leibovit negative volume reversals here. In fact, it was on December 14th. That defined the top in the S&P. We generated another negative volume reversal just a few days back. That was on the 28th, and we are in a short-term downtrend. Getting a little oversold here on the stochastic. Well, we did at VRTrader.com. We got short back here, and we covered on Friday just because it was a long holiday weekend, and anything could happen come on Tuesday. But the weight of the evidence says we're still in a little bit of a downtrend, and we could go a little bit further here. If you're going to go back to this peak here in the spider, that's 221.56, and intraday on Friday we got down to 222.73, so there's a little bit more room to the downside just to correct this previous high area there. And on an intermediate basis, well, whether something more significant is unfolding, it's too early to tell. Could all of this been a bull trap tied to the Trump election? We just don't know for now. Meanwhile, let's jump in and look at the Triple Q. Triple Q generated negative VR just 3 days back. The Nasdaq has been stronger, but as you can see here, the internal market, my 533 stochastic, has been in a downtrend here, and since mid-December, actually turning down earlier than that. So Nasdaq late, but still in a correction. And the theory, of course, for those of you who are not familiar with it, I like to see that 533 turn down if you have a negative volume reversal and you want to see a positive VR on a rising stochastic. Let's go. We have to go all the way back here. Let's see, this is back in October. We had a rising stochastic, a positive VR, and we did trend a bit higher. My overall view is that these are short-term trades. They could give you signals on intermediate top or bottom in the market, but they're generally shorter-term moves, and that's really the focus of my volume reversal here at Metastock for the purpose of these videos. You could, of course, apply them on weekly, monthly, 5-minute charts, and there is a correlation, but I tend to take a couple day trades out of the signals. And finally, let's look at the Dow Industrials, the DIA. Somewhat similar situation here, generated a negative volume reversal here back in mid-December, December 15th. That was the top. Declining 533 stochastic. Now here we generate a little positive ER. This is on the 27th last week, but as you can see, the stochastic has been in a downtrend, and I tend to ignore that signal. Also, I'm looking to catch a positive ER off a little bit of a bottom and a negative ER off of a top. So I generally don't pay much attention to positive ERs after you've had an extended move, and that's just a general rule of thumb that I follow. But of course, you can see here in all the three major indices how we had some warning and how I've been bearish at VR Trader for a couple of weeks here. And again, we don't know if this is a trade here just for a very short period of time or the warning of something on an intermediate basis, but we'll take it a day at a time. We'll see what unfolds next week. And if you want more details, of course, go to vrtrader.com. And of course, I'd love to see you sign up for my toolkit here at Metastock. And thank you for tuning in, and Happy New Year to all.